Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
eCover Mockups Pack review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this software and offer called eCover Mockups Pack. So this is an eCover Mockups Pack review. Right now we are on the sales page where it says create amazing looking 3D product covers in minutes, no design experience and no Photoshop required. And these are those box cover images you can see here. So this is only a rectangular box, and here you have this eCover Mockups Pack, the brand. Okay, so if you are launching your own products or courses and you want to go and create these kind of ebook covers or any kind of branding, maybe on shopping bags or any kind of I'll show you on the sales page itself. So if you are interested in using this software for creating sales pages, for creating these kind of boxes with brands, or you are a freelancer, then you can also sell this as a service to your clients and you can charge them some money. Okay, so we have a couple of licenses here. So grab your copy with a commercial license. Commercial license means you can use this for your clients and you can charge money from them. And the PLR license means that you can go and sell this software as it is to somebody else. Okay, and you will find more details on the sales page. So people do judge a book by its cover. You can see here again, for example, if you have something to do with YouTube, like I work on YouTube all the time, so I could use this book. If I have an ebook which I want to give you for free, I can use this eCover, which is good looking for YouTube, and I can go and design this page and just give it to my audience. Or you can go and charge people as a freelancer to create these kind of eCovers. Okay, you can see some examples and I will show you more here. And this is step 1, 2, 3. How do you do this? Click on the clearly marked smart layer, add your 2D design inside smart template, click save, and your 2D designs becomes 3D. Okay, so you will learn everything inside, how to operate the software. 50 different brand new mockups to choose from. These are those boxes you can see here, and you can put on your branding here. You see, put your design here. So if you have any design, any logo, any name, you can just go and insert there. This is book standing, so this is the like the front of the book, and these are again the front of the book. So you can go and just add anything here, any branding if you want. Or this is open book standing, so that's great too. And these things are mainly used for showing your product. Okay, so if you are creating a sales page for your own launch or for your clients launch, if they're launching some products, you can go and give this as a service, product boxes, branding and everything, and people do make money if you know how to get clients. Okay, so if you are some digital marketing company or some freelancer and you have clients who need this service, then you can go and use the software and start selling them and start making some money. Okay, spiral notebook, again the same cover here. You can see these covers are there. All you have to do is add your design here at the front and you're good to go. Okay, anything else? Again, the spiral notebook, laying down, whatever. Magazine angle, and this is what magazine angle 2. And these mockups will benefit your business in many ways. I've told you, either you use it for your own product launches on your own sales pages, or you do this for your clients and ask them to pay you, right? Super high quality and everything. And this is the shopping bag I was talking about. If you have any marketing promotional materials going on, shopping bags, maybe some tea mugs, coffee mugs. Okay, so you can have all these brandings on those vessels, whatever. This is again the box. If you have handkerchief, maybe I don't know what else you can maybe tie, shoes, I don't know. Okay, whatever you have to give away as a gift, you can have your branding on that. And these are the CD covers in boxes, bundle mockup. So you can go and check everything on the sales page, and then you can buy this if you want to. Either you go and buy this for your for your own sales page, or else you can go and start giving this as a service to your potential clients and customers if you know how to go and get those leads. Okay, then you have two options: developer license, commercial license. I have told you this is for people who want to offer this as a service to their clients. And personalized PLR license means with this license you can sell this product as your own. I have told you, under your name and under your order buttons. Okay, so you buy this in one time and then change the name of the of the software and maybe just go and sell this as your own, right? If you know how to get traffic, if you, let's say you have an audience, okay, if you have some following on YouTube, or you have some following on Facebook, or you have email, you have an email list, okay, if you have an audience, you can grab this and change the name and everything and sell it as your own, but that will cost you a little bit more money than the commercial license. Okay, so go and choose wisely. Then we have some FAQs. Is it easy to use? Of course it is. Do I need Photoshop? No, you don't. Does it work on Mac and PC? It does. What sort of licenses do I get? Blah, blah, blah. You get 2 licenses. We have talked about that. These are the differences. Commercial license, PL license. This is what you can do. This is what you can't do in commercial license. And in PL license, you can do all of this and you can't do none of this. Okay, so you cannot give away for free and all that, right? Go and check everything on the sales page and then you can buy if you want to. And this is, again, I don't know what this is, but it's only a short-term strategy, I would say. I mean, for how long can you make this work? You have to go and find some clients, make ebook covers for them. Might sound exciting to you, but to me it's too boring. Okay, why would I go and find some clients? I want to make money here. I don't want to find some clients. Okay, so if you know how do I make my money, you will be saying, wow, wow, right? So right now you're watching my video, you must have seen some ads in this YouTube video, and I have made my money. Yeah, I do not have to sell you anything. You don't have to buy anything from me. All I did is I recorded this YouTube video. Hardly might take me 15 minutes to finish this video. Okay, so I have given my 15 minutes in recording this YouTube video, and then this video has made some money. Okay, so this is what I do every day. I record 3-4 videos every day and I upload them, and those videos, people see those videos, and people also see some ads in those videos, and the more ads people see in my videos, the more money those videos gonna make for me. Okay, this is what I do as like full-time business. Okay, and this is the most simplest way to make money on the internet without selling anything, without finding any clients, without giving any service or bullshit. Okay, so if you want to buy this, what is the name? eCover Mockups Pack. It's okay. You can go and buy this if you have a strategy to follow. If you know how would you use them, where would you use them, how will you make money with this? If you have a strategy, go and buy. But if your end goal is only to make money on the internet, then there are simple and better ways to make money for a lifetime. Okay, and I'm talking about making money on YouTube, just like me. For this to work, you have to go and you have to go and get your YouTube channel monetized first of all. And monetize means you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on your YouTube channel, and after that your YouTube channel will be monetized within a month. Okay, within 1 month. Okay, so if you click on this link here below my YouTube video where it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, this Traffic Jarvis will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, and then get your YouTube channel monetized within 30 days. After that, your job is pretty simple. Make these videos, upload these videos, people will be watching these videos, and these videos will be making some money for you. Okay, if you want to know how much money, then you can click on the link and see all the proofs. Okay, before you do that, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. All of this is free. Okay, everything is free. Subscribe, like, everything's free. If you want to support and contribute to this channel, you can use the super thanks button and leave your colorful comments. Before we leave, let's talk about some OTOs here as well, because the front end will cost you how much? It will cost you 19 or 20 bucks. Okay, it will cost you 20 bucks here. Then you have, again, these things, I don't know what they are, but when you buy the front end, okay, when you buy the front end of the commercial license or of the PLL license, then you will be taken through all these upsell pages one by one. Check all the features on those relevant sales pages and then decide which ones you need, which ones you don't, right? So these were the upsells here, which you can see. And again, the recap here is eCover Mockups Pack. If you buy this, you may be able to use this in certain tasks. Okay, you might make a little bit money, probably maybe 10 bucks here, 10 bucks there, but this is not going to change your life. This is not the way to make money for the rest of your life. Okay, if you are really interested in creating an online successful business such as on YouTube or doing email marketing, because you need to learn the methods to make money online, which will still be there after 1,000 years. Okay, and I'm assuming YouTube and email marketing are still going to be there even after our 10 or 20 generations later. Okay, if I die, you die, our generations die, still after 1000 years, I am expecting YouTube will be here and email marketing will still be here. Okay, so if you want to learn and master how to make money for the number of years to come, for yourself, for your generations to come, then go and click on the first link below here. It says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and I'll show you how to make money with email marketing on YouTube for the rest of your life. Make sure to subscribe and keep watching the video till the end. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience and you can go and promote this product, so that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.